about 10 seconds to the volumetric mixer. Again, this is essentially a batch plant on wheels. And now you can see Matt here operating a Ventures Equipment 3 special concrete pump. And he's pouring in. He's just going to kind of give a demonstration before he starts to pour into the micro trench. I want to show how simple this is to backfill and do the reinstatement for a fiber optic micro trench. We found that doing a fiber optic micro trench, the most expensive and costly process is the reinstatement process with the volumetric concrete mixer and a pump. This lowers the amount of equipment that you need on site, and it also is a little bit faster than what you've seen before. So a micro trench, very small trench, inch and a half wide, maybe 4 inches deep. Very small reinstatement that we've got going on here with a volumetric concrete mixer. If you look at the setup of the pump, you can actually see there's not a separate engine that's running this pump. This is all based off the hydraulics coming